First, we cut away the worst of the rust. New panels are CNC cut. Workers position them carefully. Robotic and manual welding joins the new metal. Grinding tools smooth the welds, leaving the Jeep ready for prep. First, we remove the old, frozen components. The original discs are resurfaced to a perfect finish. New hard lines and flexibles are routed. Every connection is teched. This system is ready for testing. I've got the radiator hose disconnected. Let's get the chains hooked up. Easy does it, lift it up. Let's get it bolted to the stand. With the engine out, the tear down begins. Decades of grease and corrosion cover every component. Off comes the cylinder head, revealing the cylinders. Now spec'd out perfectly. Completely removed, corroded brackets are ground down, technicians clean every hidden corner. New, organized wiring is ready for its rebuilt engine. Slowly does it, right there. Line it up, perfect, lock it down. Reconnecting the fuel lines now. Let's get this old, brittle wiring out of here. Follow the original pathways. We have perfect continuity here. The system is fully organized now. The technicians clean the original frames. Fresh rubber seals are carefully pressed into place. Appropriate glass is precisely installed. Finally, the side windows are repaired and cleaned. We have to save every original part we can. Part 24. The original frames are carefully recreates the classic look. Door panels get the same expert. This interior is becoming a masterpiece. This classic cleaned and inspected. This classic steel rationally restored. 4 matching period correct tires are mounted. Balance each wheel. Fresh shoes for our icon.
This is the moment we've been waiting for. After countless hours, Part 30 is finally complete. Every detail is locked. The grand
अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो एक लाइक, एक कमेंट और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। आपका एक क्लिक हमारे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। मिलते हैं अगली अमेजिंग ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के साथ।